I'm from Singapore. Recently came here to Dr.Pranil's clinic at Fusion Aesthetic. I did my hair transplant back in 2018 and as you can see it wasn't a success. So I had to get it redone. Now I came here, I had done my whole research on this and after doing all of the research and again because I had trust issues because I had to redo it again. So I did my own research, reached out to a couple of clinics and all. Never got a satisfactory answer until I visited this clinic and met the doctor for myself. When I reached out to him, he was very much transparent about what the process would be and also he really aligned my expectations well as well. So overall, as you can see now, I've already done that transplant, which means that I trusted him enough. And during the whole operation process and all, one thing that I really observed is the people. From Mr. Shiva to the entire team related to doctor as well as the whole crew, they really treated me very nicely, and that's why I would really appreciate that you also can sort of come here, have a session with doctor, see what he tells you, and then you can choose the decision to do whatever you wish best for yourself.